Well, I got the fusion in. Guess we better see what we can do about this now. That door looks pretty bad to me. I don't think it's going to be too much fun to fix. Yep, door jamb don't look too good either. Guess we'll have to fix that. Well, if we could only find a door of that color. Yeah. Well, look at this. Think we got lucky. Nice straight door. Same color. That always saves time there. You ever notice you got to get every tool out of your toolbox to fix anything? Oh well. And we've hit a snag on the door. Wouldn't you know it? Well, I got a good door. Only problem is none of the wiring matches. Well, some of it does. This don't. I'm gonna have to unwire the whole harness. All of it. It's got to be changed. It's going to be fun. Well, I took all the guts out of that one. It wasn't no easy job, but I got it. Now we just swap it out. I think what I'm going to do to make it easier, go ahead and mount that door on the car. It's a lot easier than fighting with it. Yeah, still got a lot of work to do here. Getting it ready to pull. Looks like I'm going to have to lose this piece. I don't think you can work around that too good. Maybe I can take a heat gun. Well, I just checked the other side. It's good and straight. So that shows how far off we are. Get that pulled out. We'll be in good shape. Down here too. We're slow. Get job done. A lot closer than it was. Need a little bit more work though. Can't get any better than that. Yeah. Now for the lower part. Yep, the door is on. Looks like it's going to match. At least that part turned out good. Get the rocker panel finished. Had to paint it. Now the fun part. Everything in the door's got to come out. Yeah. Hardly any of this wire is the same. Yeah. That makes a lot more work, but I Guess we can get it done. Now the trick is, since none of this plugs match the wiring on the new door, I'll have to rig up the one that was on the car, plug it into this one, plug that wiring harness into that, try to get the window down to where I can get to the bolts to take the glass out. You got to take the glass loose before you can take this out. Pretty good puzzle. We'll get her done. Yep. Let's see. There you go. What the heck? This is the new wiring harness. It's going to be. Okay. Now what? There you go. That ought to do it. Some kind of a trick to taking this off. Yeah, or that just pops out. I think you shift this one way or the other. Yeah, there you go. Push it that way. And you're out. See, right there. Take that out. And that whole piece will come loose there on the inside. Yeah, that'll make sure everything matches. Now I'm going to put the oven back in. No more surprises. Yeah, that screw right in there, you don't have to take it out, just loosen it. It's loosened enough for that to pull off at the front. There it is. Everything works. Everything but jack. There's a lot of good parts left over if you need them. You can throw in the speaker. What a bargain. Got it primed. Time to give it a little blocking now. Well, there's the finished product. It's a little dirty. I'm sure somebody gave it a bath. Door jamb looked good. Everything works. Yep, that's all they wanted. It's good enough for me. I'll call it done. Glad you like it. Well, I'm glad I'm done. But what happens? Just leave another one. What are you barking at? I'm trying to make a video. Yep. A little ding. Of course, it won't take much. They never do. Yeah. Let's get at it.